Hi, kindergarten. I hope everyone is excited. We're going to be reading chapters 7 and 8 of our stories, Dinosaur Before Dark, with Jack and Annie. Here we go. Chapter 7 is called Ready, Set, Go. Run, Annie, run, cried Jack. To the tree house. They dashed down the hill together, through the tall grasses, through the ferns, past the pteranodon, and right up the rope ladder. They scrambled up. Seconds later, they tumbled into the tree house. Annie leaped to the window. He's going away, she said, panting. Jack pushed his glasses into place. He looked through the window with her. The Tyrannosaurus was wandering off. But then the monster stopped and turned around. Duck, said Jack. The two of them hunched down. After a long moment, they raised their heads. They peeked out again. Coast clear, said Jack. Yay, whispered Annie. We have to get out of here, said Jack. You made a wish before, said Annie. I wish I could go back to Frog Creek, said Jack. Nothing happened. I wish... Wait! You were looking at a picture in the dinosaur book, remember? The dinosaur book, Jack groaned. Oh no, I left the book and my pack on the hill. I have to go back. Oh, forget it, said Annie. I can't, said Jack. The book doesn't belong to us. Plus, my notebook's in my pack with all my notes. Hurry, said Annie. Jack hurried down the rope ladder. He leapt to the ground. He raced past the pteranodon, through the ferns, through the tall grass, and up the hill. He looked down. There was his pack lying on the ground. On top of it was the dinosaur book. But now the valley below was filled with duck-bill dinosaurs, all standing guard around the nests. Where had they been? Did the fear of the Tyrannosaurus Rex send them home? Jack took a deep breath. Ready, set, go. He charged down the hill. He leapt to his backpack. He scooped it up and grabbed the dinosaur book. A terrible tuba sound. Another. All the duck-billed dinosaurs were bellowing at him. Jack took off. He raced up the hilltop. He started down the hill. He stopped. The Tyrannosaurus Rex was back, and he was standing between Jack and the treehouse. There's the picture. What do you think Jack's gonna do? What would you do if you were back in the Cretaceous period and you needed to get past a Tyrannosaurus Rex? Chapter 8 is called A Giant Shadow. Jack jumped behind the magnolia tree. His heart was beating so fast he could hardly think. He peeked out at a giant monster. The horrible-looking creature was opening and closing his huge jaws. His teeth were as big as steak knives. Don't panic, think. Jack peered down at the valley. The duck-billed dinosaurs were sticking close to their nests. Jack looked back at the Tyrannosaurus. Good, the monster still didn't seem to know he was there. Don't panic, think. Maybe there's information in the book. Jack opened the dinosaur book. He found Tyrannosaurus Rex. He read, Tyrannosaurus Rex was the largest meat-eating land animal of all time. If it were alive today, it would eat a human in one bite. Great. The book was no help at all. Okay, he couldn't hide on the other side of the hill. The duckbills might stampede. Okay, he couldn't run to the treehouse. The Tyrannosaurus might run faster. Okay, maybe he should just wait for the monster to leave. Jack peeked around the tree. The Tyrannosaurus had wandered closer to the hill. Something caught Jack's eye. Annie was coming down the rope ladder. Was she nuts? What was she doing? And there's Jack, looking in the dinosaur book, under the magnolia tree. T-Rex coming closer. Jack watched Annie hop off the ladder. She went straight to the pteranodon. She was talking to him. She was flapping her arms. She pointed at Jack, at the sky, at the treehouse. She was nuts. Go! Go back up the tree, Jack whispered. Go! Suddenly, Jack heard a roar. The Tyrannosaurus Rex was looking in his direction. Jack hit the ground. The Tyrannosaurus Rex was coming toward the hill. Jack felt the ground shaking. Should he run, crawl back into the dinosaur valley, climb the magnolia tree? Just then, a giant shadow covered Jack. He looked up. The pteranodon was gliding overhead. The giant creature sailed down toward the top of the hill. He was coming straight for Jack. And that is the end of chapter 8. We only have 2 more chapters left. Chapter 9 is called An Amazing Ride. And chapter 10 is called Home Before Dark. We'll read those next. Bye-bye, everybody.